I just thought I would pop on here quick and I will show you my shoe haul. And I can tell you right now that for the shoes that I have are mostly in black, and then I have one that's in nude, so that way if I'm wearing a colorful outfit or whatever, then it's easy for me to pair my outfits with these. So anyway, I'm gonna go get started with the first pair of shoes that I got. And these are a pair that I got from Old Navy, and I got these before the quarantine had started to happen. And I believe they were running like a $2 deal on the shoes, or on the flip-flops at least, I think. So I got these ones, and these ones are in a size 8, and lately I have been taking either a 7.5 or an 8 in my shoes. And also, this pair I can remember I got them over at the Syracuse Mall because they have a DSW in there. And these shoes are pretty cool though, because they got the little studs on here just to make them look a little edgy, which I just thought that was pretty cute. And I like how this is just laced a little bit, just, all across your foot. And these are flat shoes, so this is going to be great for when I go out on dates with my boyfriend. And my boyfriend happens to be, I think, a little bit shorter than me. And this pair is a new pair of sandals that I got on Amazon. And these are nice, and they're going to go great with a couple nude bags that I have. Normally, most of the time, I like carrying around black bags, but I have a couple of nude purses, so I think this is going to go great with that. And then these shoes, I can remember I got them both over at Target the other day. And this pair is pretty cool. It looks a little bit different for a flip-flop. It kind of looks kind of like the cut of a dress shoe, or a cut like the last shoe I showed you. But anyway, this is going to be great for when either I'm running errands or I'm going to the pool a lot in the summer. And it looks kind of cute. And then this last pair I got this one over at Target. And this pair of shoes is so cute. It kind of looks like heels a little bit, but it's not really a heel, but it's a wedge, which makes this easier for you to walk in. This is going to be great for when, I go to places and I have to get dressed up. In fact, I have a friend who is going to get married, but I'm not sure about when she's going to be planning her wedding. So I just figured that I could wear these shoes for either I could wear them for the wedding, or I could wear them for all the bridal parties, like the bridal shower or the bachelorette party, just whenever I choose to wear these shoes to. They're just so cute. As a little disclaimer, is that I have gotten most of the shoes before everybody had to start to be quarantined. And I was talking about the first 3 shoes that I got in my haul. But then for the last pair of shoes, or 2 pairs of shoes that I got them over at Target because Target is still open during this pandemic. And it's just, it's crazy. And you'd think a lot of these places would still be closed during this pandemic, but Walmart's still opened, and also Target's still opened. And I'm going to take this time to thank all of our essential workers and all of our healthcare workers, because this is just such craziness that had been going on within the past 2 or 3 months. And I do hope to be back at work next month. And you can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Merlin. I'm crazy and beautiful here on YouTube. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside.